Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move your image to center on your Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to edit your website on Cardco. How do you actually go ahead and make sure that the image is centered? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So here we are on a website that I created on Cardco. Now, if we take this image here, for example, how do I make sure that this is centered? So what you want to do is that you want to click on the image, then click on this appearance paintbrush icon. And the way that I did it was that it had here something called margins. And so I set the margins to auto, and that would actually go ahead and automatically center my image. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and center your image on Card.co. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.